Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for flying with
BYBA Travel.
Okay, we normally don't do this, but we are going to start giving out more restaurant reviews, okay? We try out so many restaurants, and it's not fair that we just eat it all. Now, part of the reason is because I'm trying to get ready for my California trip for you guys, but I get hungry.
I sure am hungry.
So with that said, you gotta be really hungry to go to Lambert's. Oh, that was so good. 1800 West State Highway. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, dessert, it don't matter. This was slap yo mama. You go in there, they are throwing around buns, and if you don't know how to catch, it's okay. We had sat down, we hadn't even got our plates yet, and the guy came up and he's like, fried okra? That okra was so good. We finally order our drinks, and they brought out these big old Kool-Aid pitchers you used to have when you were little. They making sure that they don't have to come back and ask for a refill. So many choices on the menu. And I will note that on there they have like these little friendly symbols or letters, abbreviations, just showing you whether, there's gluten, sugar, all the bad stuff, whatever, nitrates. So it was really nice that they had that for you just in case you have any allergies or anything like that. Look what they served me in. They came out and gave me a pan. I was so excited. I thought I had the fork in my hand right here. Whatever. John went full out. He got the fried chicken. Yep, he got the fried chicken. The mac and cheese that I was not supposed to have. Yes, I ate it off his plate too. They walk around with these big old tubs of free sides. Free, right? So then we even got a hubcap. So it's a big old cinnamon roll the size of a hubcap. This is not the place to go if you are trying to watch what you are eating. I mean, you can watch it go into your mouth. It's definitely historic. You gotta try it out. I thought there was just one location, but when I looked, it looks like there are two surrounding the Ozark, Missouri area. Make sure you grab the family, stop by. This is some really good eating. I enjoyed every last bit of it. Of course, we didn't eat all of this. Anyway, we see a lot of these great places while we're out and about, so we're gonna start putting restaurants up here for you guys to check out, which is great because for the price that we paid, I think we ate off of this for a couple days actually. It was like lunch/dinner for the next day, which really saved some bucks there. So make sure you like and subscribe so you can see those as you travel. All right, let's go.